Hello, dear friends. Welcome you all once again to a new exciting video from On to Gain. And in this video, we'll be covering the topic related on Satoshi's BTCS Global or CoDAO. Let me uncheck my firewall at the present moment. Open this firewall. Okay. And after that, I will move you on to CoDAO. I've moved on to CoDAO. It is my wallet. See these codes tokens that they're showing here and the airdrop that is left here, but do listen carefully before going in. I'm closing the app. I'm again switch on in my advanced firewall version. Now for the time being, what I need to say to you that what is the present market price of co. So to ascertain it, I go to my apps, I go to Chrome section, I type on Chrome, I enable it, whitelist it. I again close the firewall, remove the firewall, not close it. After that, I move on to Chrome. Let's show you all what is the price of CoDAO. The current price of CoDAO, according to Coin Codex, you can see it right around here. So you don't need to panic at all. The market price of CoDAO at the present moment would be shown here. Just wait for a minute. Yeah, it is opened. So let's check on the ratings of CoDAO. This is value of core that has been shown here. Value of core C vault.finance equal to 6230.72 USDT. But this is not CoDAO. It is C vault.finance. It is another kind of core. It is known also as, see, let's see, is also known as advanced core. Okay, so people are mistakenly taking this core as CoDAO. This has been launched. See the historical price of C Vault expressed in USDT. This has been launched about 1 year ago. If I click on one core to USDT data, I click on historical price data, I click on here, here's the reports. See, on December 2022, means 1 year from now on, it's not on 1 year, sorry, about few months from now on, what was the data is 5972. But CoDAO did launch at that time? No, it did not launch at that time. December 21, 2022, did CoDAO launch at that time? No. These are all of advanced core, my friends, dear friends. These were all of advanced core. But what is the value of core, original core DAO? Let's see. The original value of core DAO, let's say it, I've clicked on the search engine. It'll pump up and open up right away. See, it's CoDAO. It's 1.6919 USD. Live data price is 1.69 USD last 24 hours. Now I will need to show you something on CoDAO to others. CoDAO USD, CoDAO USDT, CoDAO performance. Let's click on CoDAO USDT. It's 1.69 USDT. Okay. Now here it has been shown. It is advanced CoDAO versus USDT. What we are dealing with CoDAO, and here it is advanced CoDAO to USDT chart. In the bottom, what is advanced CoDAO versus USDT chart? I've already discussed it previously. I'll show that to you, but if I click on CoDAO to USDT chart, the historical price on 3 years versioning, let's see. What happens, what comes out. I click on advanced CoDAO. Yes, it's right around here. It has maximally reached 1.80 USD, started at 0.90 USD, and is today at the price of 1.69 USD. What we were seeing there was C Vault CoDAO. It was another thing. It was launched about a year ago from now on, that I showed you. Okay, but my dear friends, I need to show you one more thing right around here. Yes, you need to see it. Is that what would be the price of CoDAO in the next 6 months? I click on 6 months. It's loading. I click on prediction. It's a 5-day prediction. It's a 1-month prediction. It's a 3-month prediction. It's a 6-month prediction. The 1-year prediction is still pending. See? So it is a 6-month prediction is 1.509 USD. It's a prediction. It can change. So this is what CoDAO's value is at the present moment. So the news that is coming in the market that the value of core is about 6,000 USD or more than that is of another co that I showed you. It is called C Vault Co. Now it is the latest price, and this price is also on Binance. There is another one thing, my dear friends, I need to make that clear to you. It's a hyper token. CoDAO is a hyper token. When Bitcoin launched, it was at the value of 10 INR, means about 0.10 USD when Bitcoin launched. When CoDAO launched, it was at about $1, and now it is 1.69, running just 2 days. It's a hyper token, that's why. But what is a super hyper token? We need to know that. What is a super hyper token? Is this one. Is Pi. The price of Pi at the present moment on Binance that they have given here is 80 USD, 80.27 USD. It was at a high of 88 USD. Now it is running at 80.27 USD. So this is the value of pi on Binance. So my dear friends, CodeDAO that is launched at 0.90 USD would increase to about price of bitcoins within a few years. I can surely say that. And the price of pi that is 80.27 USD, it will reach about a million within a few years, about 5 to 7 years from now. You just need to wait for that, because any price that is launched at such a value is only possible to achieve such scale in that amount of time of 5 to 7 years. The history of Bitcoin says that, and following the history of trend of Bitcoins, we can assume the value of pi as well as that of CodeDAO. So this is all about pi and Bitcoin's predictions that need to be made. The price of CodeDAO would reach in the upcoming 5 to 7 years is about 70,000 USD, and the price of pi in the upcoming 5 to 7 years will reach about 1 to 0.2 million USD, about 0.2 million USD price of pi, or more than that. So this is the price prediction at the present moment. So in that case, people who have uh, are still mining pi are at a great profit, I will say. Free pi mining are at a great profit, and who have mined CodeDAO are also at having great profit. But my dear friends, something is there that I need to tell you. These kinds of cryptocurrencies tokens, when get listed, they get listed on exchanges like MetaMask, which do not follow a two-step encryption. See, there's MetaMask, which do not follow a two-step encryption, but uh, these are called MetaMask and Trust Wallet like tokens. Wallets are different kinds of wallets. They do not have two-step encryption within them. They have only a face key, but that is not secureable. That is quite hackable. But if MetaMask and Trust Wallet like apps can be inbuilt on a two-step encryption mode, it will be much more feasible for the crypto users to work on a test bench as well as work on a system that is suitable for everybody. So in that regards, MetaMask and Trust Wallet should develop those kinds of technology of two-step encryption. Fingerprint encryption is always there, but two-step encryption should also be allocated with it, as well as they should have listing and swapping systems as they also have at the present moment, but they should have also listing of future tokens too. And talking about the present share market conditions of global share market, BSE, NSE, Nasdaq, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, what I need to say that if this kind of scenario is portrayed in these stock market shares, that future stock shares that are still not listed, if they are generated to public as free mining by working on them, when the price will come, definitely it will rise. And if this kind of technology is developed on free mining like approach on future stocks or future shares, a huge development would be developed in the industry of stock market exchange globally. The pi or B core withdrawal process has been shown by many YouTube developers, many social developers all across the world. But this is a very special video to you all, guys. In this video I demonstrated how much value prediction pi and Satoshi core can reach, as well as the drawbacks and the needful things that need to be done on wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask, the improvements, and also on the share market of global share markets like NSE, BSE, Nasdaq, and the others, to make them stable, strong. And in that interim, we should develop an artificial intelligence that whenever they gets on to live trading, we should develop within them an artificial intelligence systems like anyone I can switch on from here, which will provide you a total artificial based system on trading. Let's click on one of them. Let's show you the real scenario that needs to be provided or invoked or incorporated within the share market trading systems of BSE, NSE, Nasdaq, and the others. Let's see. I open my firewall. I open my firewall once again. Where it is, my dear friends? Yes, there it is. I switch on to this mode. A huge amount of technological development needs to be done, my dear friends. What I saw lately on these apps, websites, as well as on the shares. So I click on Huobi Global. Huobi is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, my dear friends, or Huobi. Many people say it as Huobi, but it's spelled as Huobi. So see, my friends, here there is a part in it called futures trade markets, as well as there is a part in it called artificial intelligence. I'll show that to you. I'll show that to you. Just wait, hold on for a minute. It was on Huobi or it was on KuCoin. Anyways, I'll show that to you. I've clicked on market. Here are all the shares. If I click on assets, this is the assets. I don't have any asset at the present moment. And artificial intelligence, no. Huobi does not support artificial intelligence at the present moment, but there are few websites that just hold on. There is artificial intelligence. Trading bot is a system of artificial intelligence. See, trading bot. So trading bot is a system where you can trade using a bot. You can clone anyone's systematics, and via that you can run a total